Welcome to the Big Sis Channel by C. My name is C. I've started this channel to create a safe space and community where we can lock in together, not just for 2026, not just for Q2, but for the rest of our lives. Someone who has always been the go-to for the answers in the family, solutions, but yet maybe you feel your life has stalled or you've had to restart your life severally. I'm here to tell you that it's okay. I'm here to tell you that this is a safe space where we can grow together, where I'll be sharing advice in different aspects: life, relationships, career, business, as we grow together. I'm not another guru, let me just say that outright, but this is me actually, in one way or another, trying to create accountability for myself as I'm locked in for the year 2026. Personally, this is my year of triumph. That is my declaration for this year, as I try to refocus my goals that I had in January. So again, it's not too late to lock in for the year 2026 and come along with me as we take that journey together. I'm pushing myself to get back to my public speaking days. I'm pushing myself to be confident again in front of the camera. I'm pushing myself to actualize my goals, not just writing them down. I can verbalize them, I can talk about them, but actually putting in steps that I'll be able to look back at the year 2026 and indeed say, this has been my year of triumph. So if you're a woman out there or a man who's looking to reorganize their lives, who's looking to get the best out of their lives, there's something I've come to believe lately, is that this life, you have to take it by the reins or it will take you, right? And you only get this one life to live. So let's lock in for 2026. Subscribe to my channel, as I'll be sharing more tips. I'll be sharing more on life advice. Let me know what current state you're in your life, what you'd like to improve on. Is it your business? Is it your career? Are there steps you're looking to take? Let's learn from each other. Like I said, I'm not a guru. And the reason I call this channel the Big Sis Channel is because I am a big sis in real life. And I found myself in spaces where I'm naturally offering advice and things like that. And I thought, why not do that for a wider community of people? And let's grow together. So again, Big Sis Channel, subscribe, like, and leave your comments below. I'll be waiting to answer. Thank you. Bye.